So welcome to a new video. This week's video is a complete change of plan to what we were going to share with you this week. So over the weekend we've had an absolutely wild storm come through the island with gusts of up to sort of 70 and 80 mile an hour winds. I'm surprised they didn't name the storm, so it's the storm with no name, but it was absolutely wild. We had a little bit of damage at home, but nothing too serious. So on Sunday we headed out. We headed out to the coast with our cameras, completely safe. We had the long lens on, stood well back. There was no risk whatsoever, but the waves were absolutely fantastic. So we wanted to share some footage and some images with you from our couple of hours out photographing the waves. It was absolutely unreal, wasn't it?
Amazing.
Really, really superb. So just want to say thanks so much to everybody that has supported us throughout the year through Instagram, Facebook, and of course YouTube. We took a massive break from YouTube when we moved over to the Isle of Lewis, and it's lovely that so many of you are still watching the videos and leaving comments, and it's lovely to see so many new subscribers as well, so thank you so much. Just wanted to give a massive shout out
To Mr. Bimble himself.
to Mr. Bimble, Mark Taylor. Your comments always make us chuckle, and you've been sort of following the channel for such a long time, and it's really appreciated, so thank you. So we've also got some super exciting news to share with you that's sort of officially been announced today. Is that I've joined the team at PermaJet as a brand ambassador. So we've got lots of fantastic things planned in for next year, some superb events and really great stuff to get involved in. So if you are on Instagram, we've got an Instagram page, Women in Seascape Photography, where we share some absolutely amazing images from talented female photographers. So if you're not following, head over and take a look at some superb photographers. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for now. So all's what's left to say is Merry Christmas. Have an absolutely fantastic time with your family and your friends. Take care. Merry Christmas.
Oh,
Merry Christmas.
adios.
And adios. Have a good one.